Hey guys, it's me, Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I'm bringing you a unboxing video of this little transfer pump that I bought. I got it on the interweb, and it was this one in particularly. This one I got it from Home Depot. It was the best price I could find on it, and it was free shipping, so I took advantage of that. It's from Tera Pump, and this is the XL model. It's got the extended hose length, and it automatically shuts off when it either empties the container that you're siphoning from, or if it fills the truck up or the vehicle up, it automatically stops. Battery operated, almost 2.3 gallons per minute, auto stop, and that's super cool. It comes with all these adapters. It's got the race jug adapter as well, along with these guys, and I'm sure one of these three is going to fit my cans. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go grab one of my cans, and I'm going to set this bad boy up, and let's see how well she can fill up the tank. All right. I'm just tired of breaking my back every time I gotta. And then there's the spill issue, so I ended up getting a funnel, and I was like, you know what, screw all that. Just give this guy a shot. So, yeah, give me a second. Let me go grab a can. So she comes nicely packaged like that, and I'm going to obviously make a mess because there we go. And like I said, it's got the really cool for the racers. Got those adapters. Got these adapters, and let's see if my luck is gonna. Whoa! I almost lost it. Okay, we're good still. Houston, we're all right. Let's see, standard shape. Is that gonna fit? Let's see. Hold on a sec. Okay, so the second adapter, second step down, is the one that I need for my gas jugs. Fresh batteries. They're taking double A's, 4 of them. So now I'm just gonna pop this bad boy onto that can. I got 10 gallons here, so fill up the back tank. These are 16-gallon tanks, so it should totally be okay. And I can use up some of this older gas that I got sitting around. Okay, let me pop this on and I'll get back to you. Okay, I'm hooked up. Let's put this guy in the hole. A little clamp should hold it in place. Of course not. Come on. And then you just hit the on button. Okay, you know what? I don't trust that. So I'm just going to hold it. Oh, better yet, just, there we go. Hit it on. There it goes. It is transferring fuel. I'm just going to let the door hold it in its place. But I mean, it's doing its job. That's pretty slick. Excuse me. That is pretty slick, guys. Best $57 I spent. Not breaking my back anymore. I think it comes with a 1-year warranty, so it's pretty cool. HomeDepot.com. Look for Tera Pump. This is the XL model. But yeah, like I said, I'm done breaking my back with these 5 gallons and then spilling them. So Yeah, this is pretty dang cool. It's almost empty. Yeah. And it automatically shuts off when it runs out of stuff to push. It sounds like it's getting there. Let's tilt this back just so that it's still sitting in the... it's still good. That's pretty dang cool. But yeah, I'm just going to see, it's just going to shut off automatically. And it's still pumping. That's totally worth it. Absolutely worth the money. You just set it and leave it, literally. It'll finish. It'll do its own thing. It's just damn near tapped. It's getting down there. That's totally worth every penny, guys. You got any fuel to transfer, any liquids like kerosene or diesel? This is the guy to go with. I got the XL again because it's got the extra long hose, and it comes with that adapter for the racing caps, which I don't have any of. But I mean, it's still, you know, it's a couple of bucks more, and you get the extended hose and the extended drop, so you can put it into those bigger jugs. Alright guys, any questions or comments, leave them below. But this is totally worth every penny. You're almost done there? What's going on here? Oh, there we go. There's an auto shut-off feature, so much for that. But I mean, it'll should be almost empty. Here we go. I wouldn't trust the auto shut-off feature so much as I would. Come on, you're supposed to shut off. Yeah, I don't know about the auto shut-off feature, but it's doing its job, so can't beat that for 50 bucks. I ain't breaking my back, so it's worth it. Alright guys, some questions or comments, leave them below. Thank you for watching. Bye.